Introducing the DoPass SCT Series, a line of industrial brushless power tools designed for precision, reliability, and assembly line efficiency. Built with an ergonomic, well-balanced handle to reduce operator strain, it features trigger repeat protection to prevent double-hitting already seated screws. Adjust your torque settings easily at the nose and work with better visibility in low-light environments using the integrated LED work light. Forward and reverse controls are simple to operate. The multicolor LED indicator provides instant process feedback visible from any angle. Blue confirms reverse operation. Green signals successful torque completion. Red with a long beep warns of a failed run, while yellow alerts you informed of battery status.